Our Computex 2018 coverage was made possible by Aerocool, Synology and Alphacool.
Hi, this year's first time we have a modding partner from Taiwan, and he shows us how he approaches to our products, and he really put much effort into nice details, bringing up what we always try to show, the real coolness. So we are happy. This is a totally new situation for us, having builds done around here, having local representatives of our brand. This is really nice. And so it makes it very easy for us to show off our product range. Like, for example, here we have our reservoir offers, from very fancy with this helix situation, well known, like the standard chrome plated reservoirs, or not as tube reservoir, like as compact reservoir with pump mount here, the famous Eisfach, or as well the new ice station. Then when we walk over, we just come to our already been on market M.2 cooling solutions. We have them like with heat sinks, or also to be integrated into the loop. And very new from us is here the new Alphacool HDX Intel Optane SSD 900p Plexi cooler, who really puts coolness to this hot beast and preserves you in the end the best performance of your Intel memory solution. So fittings, nothing new here, but still the quality we want to preserve to our customers, and by this we make a claim that we always try to offer something new to the eye, as to be seen here, this new stainless steel sided and nickel plated radiator that opens like almost every possibility to lacken it off or to polish it, or whatever a modder might fancy. So this is a fresh look to your PC case, and we just say give it a try and find out how nice this will set into your new rig.